In this demo, we will show how DAE can be used to filter data based on the record's ITAR classification and whether the user accessing the data has ITAR clearance. In this demo, we will restrict access to ITAR classified materials for the records in a bill of materials. Access to ITAR classified materials will only be allowed to users who are U.S. citizens or to users that have ITAR clearance. This demo will be done in Microsoft Excel using the SAP Analysis for Office plugin. We have 3 users for this demo. Demo user 3, who is a citizen of the US and will be able to view all components in the bill of materials. Demo user 4, who is not a citizen of the US and does not have an ITAR license, who will not be able to view components that have an ITAR classification in the bill of materials. And finally, demo user 5, who is not a US citizen but does have an ITAR license, and therefore will be able to view all components in the bill of materials. For this example, I will show how you can access this data through Microsoft Excel and how it will be filtered by DAE. Here we will insert a data source, which is the S/4HANA database. We will log in first with demo user 03, who is the US user. Search for manufacturing. Here we are going to select manufacturing order item. And then we will choose to select material as one of the rows for the data. Here we can see that the ITAR classified materials, specifically FG111, FG129, as well as C900, are all visible to this user because they are a US citizen. Now we will try to do the same with demo user 4. We'll select manufacturing order item again. And once again, we will select material as the rows. Here you can see that the ITAR classified materials, specifically FG111, has been filtered out, as well as FG129, as well as the C900 entry. Now we can do the same thing with the final user, demo user 05. Again, we'll select the manufacturing order item. And now we can see that once again, the ITAR classified materials, including FG111, FG129, and the C900 entries are visible because this user does have an ITAR license. This concludes a demonstration of how DAE can be used to filter records based on ITAR classification, dependent on the user's citizenship as well as whether they have an ITAR license.